my beautiful friends, welcome back to my darling little home. Today I have this beautiful fall centerpiece for you guys. It's very simple but very pretty. I hope you guys like it. So we're gonna need a mason jar, chalk paint, a brush. I picked these leaves from the Dollar Tree. This ribbon is from Hobby Lobby, and this one is from the Dollar Tree. I'm also using a zip tie. So we're gonna start by removing the lid and the sticker from the mason jar, and we're gonna paint it. So we're gonna remove the tags from the leaves, and we're gonna cut like an inch from the bottom of the stem to make it shorter. And we're gonna open them up and move them around to make it fuller. I'm doing a simple bow with this ribbon. This ribbon I have left over from my Christmas tree last year. And I use a zip tie to tie it. I find it very easy to do it this way. I did 3 coats of paint on the mason jar. So now I'm folding this ribbon in half, and I'm measuring to put it around the mouth of the mason jar. I'm also using the little leaves ribbon to put around the lid, just to add a little bit something to the lid. So now I'm gluing the ribbon around the mason jar. You could use any ribbon of your choice. And I'm adding the bow to the ribbon and closing the lid and adding my leaves. But I did not like it because I didn't think it was full enough. So I went around my house and I found these branches, these little sticks. So I got pieces of it and stuck them in there. And I really like how it turned out. Now I'm using this little ball. It's from a pick I was using earlier. And I added it to the center of the bowl. Then I decided to distress my mason jar. So I got a little piece of sanding paper and I distressed it. Move the leaves around and fix them to your liking. Now we're done. I love how it turned out. So I decided to display it with this burlap pumpkin and this orange pumpkin. Both of them came from the Dollar Tree. I really like this fall centerpiece. I think it's very simple, very pretty, and the ribbon just adds something to it. Well, this is the DIY I have for you guys today. I hope you guys like it. Stay tuned for more DIYs. See you next time. God bless you. Bye bye.